In this video, I'm about to show you how to create multiple Gmail accounts. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Once you're on the inbox screen, tap on your profile account located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Add another account. Next, choose Google as the account type. Now, tap on Create Account and this Choose for Myself from the options. This option is ideal for personal account. You'll be prompted to enter your first and last name. Once you've done that, tap on Next. On the next screen, select your date of birth and gender. This information helps personalize your Google experience. After entering this detail, tap on Next. Now you'll be asked to create a Gmail address. You can type in your desired email address here or choose from the suggested option. Once you're happy with your choice, tap on Next. Next, create a strong password for your new Gmail account and confirm it. Then tap on Next. Review Google's terms of service, then scroll down and tap I agree to accept them. Your new Gmail account is now created. You can repeat this process to create multiple Gmail accounts following the same steps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.